Why do 80% of retro handheld fans argue about build quality versus features? Today, we're cutting through the noise. RG35XX versus R36S. Let's settle this in 60 seconds. First up, the Anbernic RG35XX. Think premium feel, solid plastics, clicky buttons, and a display that's as crisp as your childhood memories. No analog sticks here, but if you're all about SNES, GBA, or PS1 classics, this is your trusty sidekick. Bonus mini HDMI out for couch gaming and a battery that outlasts your longest Mario run. But, enter the R36S. Cheaper? Yep. Dual analog sticks? Absolutely, and that's a game changer for N64, Dreamcast, or PSP fans. The screen's even brighter, and it runs custom ArcOS for extra emulator power. Sure, it feels more toy than tank, but your wallet gets to celebrate. The bottom line? RG35XX for top-tier build and 2D nostalgia. R36S for maximum value and modern controls. Oh, pro tip, ditch the included SD cards. Grab a legit SanDisk or Samsung, and thank me later. Which one are you picking?